Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me. Big shout out to all the people who like, share, subscribe to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about Apple OLED M6 MacBook Pro just leaked. It's going to be expensive. Apple is about to make one of the biggest changes to the MacBook Pro in years. Leaks suggest the next generation M6 MacBook Pro will introduce something Apple laptops have never had before, an OLED display and possibly a touch screen. But here's the surprising part: instead of replacing the current models, Apple might be creating an entirely new, more expensive tier of MacBook Pro. So what exactly is happening with Apple's up and coming laptops? And should you wait for them? Let's break it down. The first OLED MacBook Pro. For years, Apple has used mini LED displays in the MacBook Pro lineup. They're bright, efficient, and offer excellent contrast. But OLED changes the game. With OLED, each pixel emits its own light. That means perfect blacks, better contrast, faster response times, and improved power efficiency. Reports suggest Apple plans to bring OLED panels to the 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pro models powered by the M6 Pro and the M6 Max chips. And this isn't just a display upgrade. The OLED models are expected to include thinner chassis, touchscreen support, and a redesigned hinge to handle touch input. True, this would be the biggest MacBook redesign since 2021. But OLED won't be on every model. Here's where things get interesting. The base M6 MacBook Pro is expected to keep the current mini LED display instead of OLED. In other words, M6 base model equals mini LED. M6 Pro, M6 Max is OLED upgrade. Apple appears to be using OLED as a premium feature to separate high-end models from standard ones. This is similar to how Apple previously restricted features like the touch bar or promotion to certain models. Why Apple won't kill the M5 MacBook Pro? Normally when Apple launches a new generation, older models disappear. But according to new reports, the current M5 Pro and M5 Max MacBook Pros will remain in the lineup. Why? Because the OLED MacBook Pro will likely sit above them in price. Apple may essentially create a new ultra-premium MacBook tier instead of replacing existing ones. Some analysts even speculate Apple could brand it something like MacBook Ultra. So the price increase. OLED technology is expensive, and history suggests Apple will pass that cost on to the buyers. When Apple introduced OLED displays on the iPhone and the iPad, the base prices increased significantly. Early estimates suggest M6 Pro, MacBook Pro around $2,400, M6 Max MacBook Pro possibly $4,000 or more. And that would make these the most expensive MacBook Pros ever released. So the M6 chip and performance, alongside the display upgrade, the M6 generation is expected to bring major performance improvements. The chips may be built using the TSMC's next generation 2nm process, which could improve both power efficiency and raw performance. That means better battery life, faster AI workloads, and improved GPU performance. For creators working with video editing, 3D rendering, or machine learning, this could be a huge upgrade. So when can we expect the OLED MacBook Pro? Most reports point to a launch between late 2026 and early 2027. However, there's one potential delay factor. Apple is relying on Samsung to produce the OLED panels, and mass production isn't expected to start until 2026. If there are supply issues, the release could shift to 2027. So here's the situation. Apple's upcoming MacBook lineup could look something like this: base M6 MacBook Pro, minor upgrade; M6 Pro and M6 Max MacBook Pro, OLED display and redesign, M5 Pro and M5 Max staying in the lineup as cheaper options. This would create 3 tiers of MacBook Pro pricing instead of 2, and if the leaks are accurate, Apple's OLED MacBook Pro might be the most premium laptop the company has ever made. So what are your thoughts? Would you pay more for an OLED MacBook Pro with touch support, or would you stick to the current models? Let me know in the comments. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, can I ask you to give it a like, share and subscribe to the ever-growing wolf pack. It'd be great to have you on board in 2026. So until next time, as always, take care and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.